Influenster Vox Box. Do you have one? Do you want one? Do you want to know how to get one? Well, I think I might have cracked the code. So if you'd like to know how I got this Influenster Vox Box, just stick with me and keep on watching. Hello curveballs and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Lisa and I am the Curvy Cuban. I like to do primarily colorful eyeshadow looks, and lately I've been doing a lot more looks duplicating popular palettes rather than going out and buying them, basically using what you already have. I am a beauty lover and makeup and skincare is right up my alley. So when I was scrolling through Facebook one day about 6 months ago and saw a little ad that said, "Do you want free makeup from Influenster? Download the app now." Of course, I immediately downloaded the app. It's kind of like a social media for product lovers. It doesn't have to be makeup. It can be anything from pet food to makeup. You post reviews on products that you've used. You rate them, you talk about them, you can post pictures. You have a login and account so people can ask questions about a specific product and you can respond to them. So the way that I saw it was, the more interactive you are on the app, the more likely you are to receive a Vox Box. And when I first got the app, I went through my makeup collection and literally took a picture of everything that I had and uploaded it, gave it a 4 or 5 star rating, whatever the case may have been. And I didn't do very in-depth detailed reviews on the products that I absolutely liked. I put what I liked most about them, and on the products I didn't like, I said why. Every now and then I would get an email saying an influencer has requested your opinion on this product. And so whenever they had seen that I had marked a product that I had used, they had a question like, is this okay for oily skin, or is this okay for dry skin, or does this wear off after a while? So I would just immediately respond with my most honest answer. And I'll be honest with you, I only caught maybe about 5 or 6 emails in which I replied to people's questions about products. So it's not like it was largely time consuming. I did about 10 to 15 reviews, and I did about 5 or 6 full surveys. Like, they're constantly sending me emails saying, partake in this survey on specific products. Like, does this kind of hair care interest you? For me, it's just like, no, yes, somewhat, moderately, etc. So it takes about 10 minutes, I'd say, to complete a survey. So within a 6-month time period, I had done about 10 to 15 reviews, about 4 to 6 surveys, probably 6 to 10 responses on people's questions as to whether or not I liked a product, and stayed moderately active on it. I follow this beautiful young woman, Charlotte Holcraft. She has like 25,000 subscribers. She does have 25,000 subscribers. And she finally got her first Vox Box, in which she got an OPI nail polish. And this is before I ever got a Vox Box. So I was very anxious to click on that and see what she had to do to obtain that. And it seemed like she almost did more than what I did. And she has way more subscribers and followers, because what they do is they take all of your social media accounts. You put in your email address, you log into all of your social media accounts, have them merge, and they collectively figure out how many followers you have across all platforms: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, etc. I'm such a small influencer, a small creator, that I'll probably never get a Vox Box, but I still enjoyed participating in the surveys for the hopes that maybe I would. So when a Vox Box arrived on my doorstep, I was a little taken aback, because I don't have anywhere near 25,000 followers / subscribers on any platform in the social media industry. But I am going to take advantage of this now. So here she is. Here's my Vox Box. I was absolutely excited to know that I got 3 full-size products from I Do Care, which is a skincare line. I had not tried it before, so I was very happy to have something that I didn't already own. It's called Do the Bright Thing. It came out this summer. It's a summer collection, and they have amazing neon packaging, which I really love. I thought this was adorable. You know me and my neons. These are the cute little boxes that they came in. In this, we have Bright Side Up, which retails for $25 as bouncy jelly serum, instantly bringing dull skin back to the bright side. So it's a brightening vitamin C serum. Here's your packaging from I Do Care. So when you open this up, you have this nice little bottle, the same color as the box. Because I am going to be doing a review video on it, but the thing is, it's skincare, so it's not something I can use once and give you guys an adequate review. Just a little bit of information that you can carry with you if you're interested in trying to download the Influenster app and get your own VoxBox. And if you get a box, then they want you to post on all your social media accounts. That's why they want you to have followers. Review the products and post hashtag I do care, hashtag IDC vitamins, etc. If I were to not go on and review these on Ulta.com or through Influencer, then I would have no opportunity to get another VoxBox. If you look at your email and read the fine print, that's what it says. After I got my VoxBox, I opened up the email, I read through it, I immediately did another survey saying, yes, I got these, this is what I think about it so far, because I do want to be in the running for another one. I have no problem getting 3 full-size products if I have to do a few reviews and videos on them. I mean, that's what I'm here for. Next item on here, we have I Do Care Say You Do DEW. This retails for $29. It is a lightweight 2-in-1 gel plus cream moisturizer. Hydrates you so you can do you all day long. Do spelled D-E-W. So it's a moisturizing vitamin C gel and cream, 50 milliliters. It's a good size. It's got a cute little winky face on the top. So you open it up and it says it's a gel slash cream, but this is purely gel to me. So this does not feel at all oily. It reminds me a lot of the ultra hydrating serums that Clinique has. Comes with its own little scooper spoon, so you don't have to put your fingers in it. And there's your moisturizer. I like this, a very nice sturdy glass jar. And I have been enjoying using this, and I do feel moisturized when I use it without the oily residue that some moisturizers tend to leave. And last but not least, I Do Care Plush Party Buttery Vitamin C Lip Mask. Pretty pink box. This retails for $16. It's a buttery leave-on mask, nourishes dry lips so you can RSVP to a softer, smoother kiss. All right, so what I love about this, and there's your winky face. Underneath here, you have your own little scooper again. This I have instant results on. I scoop it out of the little pot. Not sure if the camera is gonna pick up how coated my lips are. It smells great. It has no taste whatsoever, but it makes my lips feel completely moisturized and instantly protected. I can visibly see the layer of product on my lips. The first night I used it, I put it on after I did my skincare routine, washed my face, put on my moisturizers, took out my contacts, was ready to go to bed, and I put the lip mask on and I went to sleep. I woke up the next morning and my lips felt so soft, so hydrated, and just so, you could almost still feel like it was like this layer of product just absorbed into my lips overnight. And I was super, super, super happy with the way that my lips felt upon waking the next day. I'm very happy with these 3 products so far. Once again, our $25 Bright Side Up Vitamin C Skin Brightening Serum, our $29 Say You Do Vitamin C Gel Moisturizer, and our $16 I Do Care Plush Party Lip Mask, buttery as all get out. Let's say 29, 16, 25. That's a lot of free product, all for a handful of surveys, product pictures, information, and reviews. And so I don't know if it's worth it to you. It is worth it to me. So if you're interested on how you get a VoxBox, that is exactly how. Basically get the app, review, share, and hopefully one of these puppies will be on your door free of charge. It just showed up at my doorstep and it was a big surprise. This was something I was never going to attain being a small creator, but I'm telling you, obviously the size does not matter. So if you are a creator, big or small, and you're interested in getting actual free product, please download the Influenster app and check it out. In the future, you guys, keep an eye out for my future review video, probably about a month from now after I've used these products for a while, so I can tell you exactly what I think and what I feel about them. And if you are new here, go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss that video, and tap that little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And until next time, stay curvy and stay collecting free makeup. And we'll see you in a week. Bye!